Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, refreshing detox drink. This drink's going to be celery, ginger, apple, and some fresh spinach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. Let's get into the video. Ginger have anti-inflammatory properties and aid digestion and support weight loss. Spinach packed with iron and boost your immunity. Celery support bloatedness and hydration. To get our juice going, I have some celery here and I have some ginger. I probably use about this ginger in it because you don't need more than this. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove some of the skin. Rule of thumbs, make sure to wash them first. So I'm just removing some of the skin of this, clean him up a little bit. I'm gonna cut our ginger up. I'm gonna set them aside. Celery, wash them. Another rule of thumbs you can do is to wash them off in some bicarbonate soda. The apple, we're just gonna remove this little part here. We're leaving the seed skin. So what I'll be doing now, I'm loading it into my blender. So if you have a juicer, you can put it in it. That's all personal preference. This particular juice, ladies and gentlemen, is very healthy, and this is something you should try. I notice something when I drink juice like this. It's like my energy level goes way up and I feel so different. I'm squeezing a bit of lemon in it, add some extra vitamin C. And we're going in with some fresh spinach, which give you iron and boost your immunity level. The only thing with this, don't drink it in the night. This is a juice where you can drink for 7 days. Drink this for 7 days, you will notice the difference. I'm going in with some spring water, and this is to help the blending process. And it won't reduce the nutrients what's in these lovely ingredients. And you have the apple. And as some of you know, apple reduces the risk of cancer and also heart disease. And it's also good for diabetes. Apple also contain rich fiber and vitamin for your system. And this drink is a excellent immunity booster. This juice here will help you flush your system. Also, it's an excellent detox. If you have arthritis, rheumatides, diabetes, this is a juice for you. So drink this for about 7 days. And this is so refreshing and absolutely healthy. Let me know in the comment, how do you like to make your green juice? And I'm asking you, ladies and gentlemen, drink this juice, make it, try it, and drink it. You have nothing to lose but to gain health and immunity booster from this lovely, refreshing, healthy green juice. For me, I like to pass my juice through a strainer. That's personal preference, but I like to pass it through. This is packed with health benefits, a better digestion system, a glowing skin, and other much more health benefit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video and enjoy videos like this. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to squeeze out as much juice as possible. And I'm telling you, when you try this, you're gonna love it and you're gonna feel different with the celery, the ginger, the apple, bit of lime juice or lemon juice in this. I'm telling you, I can't wait for this to finish, to have about 2 glasses of this. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. It's a pleasure having you guys. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Look up the consistency of this. The consistency of this is so beautiful, rich, nice green color. What I'm doing here, I'm just pouring it out in my pouring jug, and I'm gonna enjoy this 100%. Get yourself a glass and pour yourself some out, because I can't wait to try this. I made it before, but I keep making it over and over again. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Wow, wow, absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.